Lisa here. I am back with another video, and this video is going to be about how to rejuvenate the body in a matter of 4 weeks. Not just the body, the internal body, but also the external. To have a more luminous, have a more radiant and firmer skin. And I have been doing this treatment, internal and external, for many years, on and off, and it's really effective if you really put the effort and the discipline. So we are going to use certain ingredients. I am going to explain you how, and you could do it at home. And also I will suggest some other tips to be able to enhance your rejuvenation. Okay, so we're going to be talking about pineapple. I didn't bring the pineapple because I have cut it in pieces. It's downstairs in my fridge, and I didn't want the mess of the juice to come here in my bedroom. So what I am going to show you are some ingredients, except the pineapple, all the ingredients except the pineapple. Okay, so the pineapple, let's talk about how rejuvenating is, taking internally and using externally. Pineapple, it is a tropical fruit, and that helps with digestion. It helps with vision because of the amount of beta carotene, and also has great amounts of calcium that will help for a mature woman, and because the calcium deteriorates through the years while we're getting older. And so this has a good amount of calcium, the pineapple, and also has good amounts of iodine to be able to treat the thyroid. And as you know, the thyroid goes down as we age, especially after menopause. It goes down. That's why you're going to feel more fatigue, more tired, and you're going to be losing hair. Your nails are going to change in texture. And so the thyroid issue in menopausal women, it is a big dilemma because it causes a lot of problems to the body. And so the pineapple also has, according to the studies, has the bromelain enzyme. Bromelain helps with the inflammation of the body. Also, it helps to digest protein. Inflammation of the body equals to aging very, very quickly. And people that have cancer, the body is loaded with inflammation. So inflammation will start first, and then other diseases of the body. So that's why it's very important to treat inflammation from the inside of the body and from the external, your skin, because your skin also becomes inflamed, and the top layer of the skin will start aging. So inflammation is really, really aging for the body, and pineapple, it is such a good thing for inflammation. So now we're going to be using also lemons. These lemons right here, I bought it, these are organic. Make sure all the ingredients are organic. This lemon right here, it is mixed with orange. So it was my first time trying it, but you could use any other, the other type of lemon, just the lemon. And so as you see, it's kind of a yellow color, and it is has the orange and the lemon. So very, very tasty. I love it. So what you're going to do is take about half of the lemon, right? We're going to give you the recipe for external use to be able to get rid of those dead cells. This recipe will take place of a mild pill, like glycolic pill or lactic acid pill, because the bromelain has the enzyme, the pineapple has the enzyme called bromelain, which bromelain will help to dissolve those dead cells. And the lemon, which has the citric acid and also has the alpha hydroxy acid that helps to dissolve those dead cells as well, and an excellent to stimulate collagen. So you're going to use like about 3 cubes of about this size of pineapple and half of a lemon. Make sure it's with the peel as well, because the peel has a great amount of bioflavonoids, which it's a super antioxidant for the skin. And then you're going to add half of a teaspoon of coconut oil, and then you're going to add about a quarter of a teaspoon of organic turmeric. Oops, I bought this spirulina instead of turmeric. I'm sorry, girls, but it is organic powder turmeric. And so a quarter of a teaspoon, 3 cubes of the pineapple, half of a lemon with the peel, and then half of a teaspoon of the coconut oil, and you're going to add about 6 drops of mint oil. The mint is going to give you the oxygenation into the skin, because you need to have at all times oxygenated your skin in order to be elastic, more elastic. And the coconut oil, as you know, it's a good lipid, it's a super antioxidant, it's an antibacterial, and it's going to help penetrate all the ingredients that I'm mentioning, because the coconut oil has this tiny little molecular structure that will help absorb all the ingredients that you're going to put in your face. You leave it for about 45 minutes. You're going to love it. Your skin is going to restore. You could do it every single day if you want to. And now the recipe with the internal care, for the internal care, I should say, I'm going to give you right now. So I will write the recipe as well in the video. Okay, so we have talked about the external recipe, and now the internal recipe. You take 2 cups of pineapple, 2 cups of, cut the pineapple in pieces, in little cubes, and take the 2 cups of the pineapple, and then you're going to take a quarter of a teaspoon of turmeric, a quarter of a teaspoon of ginger. You're going to take about 6 leaves of mint, and you're going to take 1 tablespoon of coconut water, and then you on the lemon, a whole lemon with the peel, okay? And so you add like about a half a cup of spring water or coconut water, blend it together and take it immediately and on empty stomach. It's a great recipe to even kill cancer cells. Pineapple, according to the studies, taking internally every single day, it's better than chemotherapy. And so if you take this drink every single day, your body is going to rejuvenate. your body is going to be less toxic, and you're going to have more energy. The mint is going to give you oxygenation into the body. The pineapple, we talk about it, it's a great anti-aging tropical fruit. And the turmeric is a potent antioxidant for your whole body. And the lemon, it's a natural diuretic. It's a natural antioxidant, and it's just loaded with good benefits to fight the aging of the body. Lemon helps to detoxify the liver. Lemon is such a great thing to clean the body. And so we talk about the coconut oil. The coconut oil is going to help with your thyroid. The coconut oil is going to help with the digestion, to move your bowels, to clean your colon. And it is a natural laxative that helps to maintain the body clean. And so once the body is clean, your colon is clean, you're going to look younger. Your whole body, your internal organs, your external appearance, your hair, it's gonna be rejuvenated. So take this drink every single morning, and I will put the recipe. And I hope you like this video, and I'll see you later, my sweet friends. Bye bye now. You take care. Bye.